Welcome to the channel, guys. So today we will review the Apple iPad Generation 6 iPad, which I bought in 2019 last year. So I have been using this iPad since very long. Like I have been using this iPad since 1.5 year. So I think I am a legible person to review it after using it so long. So let's start it. So you can see it. This is an Apple iPad Generation 6. You can see the model number A1893, designed by Apple California. Okay. So there is a fingerprint scanner here and the lock screen opening here, as you know, and I have applied a screen protector here which I bought from the Delhi local market at the cost of 300 or 400 rupees at the time, but now this cost around 200 rupees. So let's do it. So let me increase the brightness, although it has an automatic brightness which you cannot, I think so, you cannot change this setting. Okay, as you can see there are no much scratches and I have used it very well, and just a little bit of dent here once it fall down from my hand. So the quality of the material and the quality of the iPad, you know, it's very good. And I have been also using an local pencil with this. The company for this is KSU. It is available on Amazon for around 3000 or 3500. I bought it in 3000 in Diwali sale. And also I have bought this cover for it. This is a magic cover, so you can apply it like this. Yeah, so it is an automatic cover. You can just lift it off and the backlight will be on. So I am a student. I am a medical student. What I basically use it for is like for making the notes. Like this is an PDF open for my physiology textbook. So what I do basically on this is whenever I'm going to read something, I don't have to now buy some books. So what I do is I will just, for example, I am reading this topic, for example, like fever and hypothermia. So I can like underline the notes. I can make short notes over this. I can write over this like what I understood here. If there is some doubts, I can make it. I can make some shapes here like circle, triangle, whatever. Okay, there is a scrap tool and all. We can make a different video on the GoodNotes. This is a GoodNote app. I can also make normal notes like this is my basic note which I made long ago. These are DNA notes from the Dr. Najib's videos. You know how well the teacher is. So there is another book, and we can like open 3-4 books at a time and we can just read there and like make notes here. There are other features in this app, so let's leave this app. So there are like, I can show you the game of this, like gameplay on this app also. Like this is Need for Speed, you know, like a famous game. I used to play it while I'm like fed up from studying a lot. So we can see a gameplay in this. It's loading, so let's wait for a moment. It usually takes so, and you can see how much time it takes to load. Like you can compare it with your own laptops or computer or even phones. You can play it on phone too. So I have just recently started playing this game and I am just on the basic steps. So let's try something. Okay, we can, for you I will play it on the maximum sound so you can just listen to the sound quality of this. Okay, let's go. You can drift like this, and this was the Nitro Plus drift. So as usually I won the game. Okay, so this was a little bit of gameplay in this iPad after using it for 1.5 year. So you can I don't have any videos in this because I don't use to. Okay, there are some movies in this if you want to see something. I don't know which movies are this. So you can watch some movies over this, and there are another apps for using I just basically use it for notes. So I have mainly the notes app in this. So this is another app for the physiology. Okay, you can just see this. The things are like this. It's pretty well and like very efficient and very useful to see. You can also watch some YouTube over here. So we can watch something here. Okay, my channel is not so much famous that I can directly search it over. This is our channel here, as you see. Okay, let's just see this video.
देखिए राकेश जी, आक्रोश होता है चाहे युवाओं का, अगर जो बेरोजगार युवा हैं उनकी भर्ती परीक्षा।
So this was a pretty good video, and like I hope you liked it, and I'm using it since very long and it's going well. This is only a Wi-Fi model, 32 GB storage one. Okay, and you can see about section, it is the software version it is running on is 14.2. It's my iPad and there are 45 photos. It's not that much full. I just keep it very clean and like don't install much things in this, so there is no much storage installed. And as you can see, this is that much is over. Like this is an iPad 6th generation, the model number is this and the serial number is this, and you know the other settings are here. So there are no hang problem, there is no battery problem. The battery for this is like it runs for around 8 to 9 hours for me, and that's pretty good for me, I think so. And this